Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Call of Duty Warzone Error Code Annex. As per our research, the error occurs when players try to log into Warzone but are unable to connect. According to our research, this error is likely caused by network issues on the user's end or problems with the game servers. Now let's move on to the possible fixes for this error. The first thing you should try is fully restarting your router and gaming device. Some users reported that after doing this, they were able to log back in. So give this a try and see if this helps. If restarting your router doesn't help, try connecting to a mobile hotspot from your phone. If you successfully log in using the hotspot, try switching back to your main network once you're in the game and see if the error is resolved. If the error also occurs while using a mobile hotspot, check if you need to update the game or your gaming device. If there are any pending updates, install them and try logging into the game again. If everything is up to date but you're still seeing the error, then it is likely a server-side issue. In this case, we suggest waiting for a few hours and trying again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.